My customer has a Daihatsu F20 even though he suffered a collision on his cabin which was deformed and lost its structural rigidity. Consequently, when each template may got bashed, the multiple materials up inside a single composite with rigidity and the spindles simply makes you mind that the suspension and torque should be the worst decision by stumbling losing money to restore every sidewall till the dashboard in a modern lightweight complexity by their reinforcements. Such that feeling of efficiency with no helpless inclination to letting more struggles on fearsome from gossipy people who considerately manipulate the idea of being healthy with aerodynamics and impact energy in a monocoque without shimmy devices. This is surreal in most cases. The impact of corrosion and dust dismiss the maintenance costs at any customized part in a job, including, if necessary, prototyping an unequal retractable panel to be the boost of the PRAM's framework. In consideration to this notorious attachment, my father added more original spare parts in case of finishing successfully, a replacement in features for body sealing locations, structural sectioning towards the extent of absorbing a particular geometry, style, sizes, and as a rule, be adapted with precaution to depend on occupants and the body.
When night has become the day, they're sending you far away, so far away. When everything
The disassembled machine was forsaken exactly on the terrace roof in a rotten building close to a minuscule river. Later, in my attending time to this relationship or transformation, separately unsupported as a real vehicle, I fearlessly bashed consistent words up to absorb the energy without wasting time in a cutting procedure, making braces, fixtures, units, a trunk except the hood because that piece of the body shell sometimes needed anti-vibration seams to absorb the efficiency reutilizing iron and steel when necessary components so hills and valleys couldn't be ignoring its presence, repeating unlikely jokes like, "You shall not be an aluminum alloy," through the streets from Carson City or outwards, "Why I am yours," as the adhesive to the permeable structure these artisans compiled in 3 months of pure panic, adjusting the cabin on chassis.
That's what we are made of. Yes, we are. This is real. That's what we are made of. Yes, we
A recoverable long-standing motor to a day-to-day operation was my actionable blueprint covered with severity for ascribable considerations to restrain pretension if my clients or folks underpinned wrong decisions to my father about assembling the occurrence of leveling and bond and evenly grind harshness over abrasive discs, which were the dry sanding conveyor around the debris likewise. The decklit pillars and flanges for me appeared imposing like an anchored charming laboratory with glass equipment of principles of much more electrical power onto the tonnage of a crumpled Daihatsu. Still, it was notable at least to me, as I occupied my vacations while clocking off entirely my welder office with respect to mounting parts and applying coating in fiberglass.
slip out of your good clothes into something comfortable. No need to try. Yeah.
We demonstrated as a family affair that our skills used to replace avoiding abdicated advices to each other elsewhere uneventful, since those types of mentality sometimes makes us feel scattered or nearly aflame. So shooting sounds like cutting the entire car where harmonies in general. I also wouldn't let unlock anger to defeat to my job in a pharma or greenhouse with plenty issues like few materials, distrust to the client view perhaps about prices or nagging disturbance in discussions relying who's the best vehicle's owner.
It don't matter wherever we go. We're just people in the darkness. Don't know where we started. We all need somebody to hold. We're just people in the darkness.
Blinded by the headlights, thinking we're unstoppable, saving our change. Yeah.
Then I was in a fairy tale whose rail may have fallen with me because of the incident which we committed before signing the contract. Looking for a solution in the moment, the broken Daihatsu fixed a bow truck at night.
You and I, we both keep dreaming the impossible, finding a place. Oh, my love, you should know. It don't matter wherever we go. We're just people in the darkness. Don't know what we started. We all need somebody to hold.
At the end, everything was memorable. I brushed my imminent peril. Wow, that was no lie. However, my mom gave my meals on time and big up to that. Furthermore, we ended up painting a new scarlet orange black on a vintage white roof as a glorious victory nowadays. And the second restoration of this car model in YouTube. Thanks for your attention to this video where we joined two cars in one.
Equal in the darkness. 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 It don't matter wherever we go. We're just people in the darkness. Don't know where we started.
We all need somebody to hold. We're just people in the darkness, equal in the darkness.
It don't matter wherever we go.